Hi guys, good morning. It's Riz in Canada again. So may gala na naman tayo for today's video. Andito pa rin ako sa Calgary and as I've said sa previous vlog ko after Banff na may agenda ako about work and after nun bago pala ako gumawa ng agenda about work is mag-zoo ako. Punta ako sa Calgary Zoo. Hina-enjoy ko ng aking vacation kasi ito rin yung vacation na meron ako for this year kasi magiging busy na kasi ako yung mag-open ng new store namin. It's impossible to take a vacation leave for this year kasi nga newly open store siya. So, ayun. Yun. And hindi naman masyado magiging mahaba ang vlog sa Calgary Zoo kasi nga sasaglitin ko lang yun. Gusto ko lang makakita ng animals kasi the very last time na nagpunta ako sa zoo was when I was in grade school. So, hindi na naulit yun. Sobrang hindi na naulit. So, nandito na ako kagabi at nagkulot na rin ako para magandang effect niya ngayon. So, this is what I use for my hair. This is not an oil kasi it dries up after like few hours. Magtutuyo siya. Bibigay lang siya ng shine sa hair. Tapos magmumukha ng natural yung hair mo. Yan, ganyan. Ayos pa ba? Kagabi ko pa siya kinulot eh. Hindi ko alam kung maayos pa siya. So, yan. Ayoko na ayusin. Lang akong time. Yun lang guys. And then, pakita ko sa inyo ang aking outfit. Yung shoes ko nasa car. Yung shoes ko ay nasa car. So, hindi ko alam kung paano na to. So, yun yung outfit natin, guys. May kape pa ako dito. So, yun yung outfit natin. Ano yan sa side. Ganyan. And then dito. Maganda yung likod nito eh. Basta. Maganda siya kung ano, kung may shape sana ako, kaso wala akong shape. Ayan, ganyan lang. Tapos yung rubber shoes ko is white. Okay. So, see you guys later. Pupunta na ako dun sa Calgary Zoo. Pero, hindi ko pa rin sure yun kasi feeling ko, sabi ko, pag masyadong maraming tao, hindi na ako tutuloy. So, dun ako didiretso sa aking agenda about work. Okay, yun lang guys. Thank you so much. Kita-kits later.
You have arrived.
So, nakapag-park na ako. Diyan, magpa-park ka muna bago magbayad ng parking mo. Kaya ang tawag is pay for parking here. Charot. Ang daming bata guys. Ako lang yung walang kasamang bata dito. Ay, di ko kita. Di ko mataas yung kilikili ko guys. Kahit weekday, sobrang busy. Ang daming tao. Halos walang ma-parking. Daming bata. Sa loob na ako, guys. I'm inside na, guys. Daming tao. Tingnan nyo, mga naka-costume sila. Cute.
Would you like to go back
Cute.
Come on, baby.
Some are swimming in the water. Come, come, come. Come, come, come. Penguin. Ang cute. Alam na pa yung isa. Wow! Wow! Yay! Lumabas na ako guys. Dito naman ako sa wildlife. Wildlife? So dito ako pupunta guys sa Wild Canada. Yan. So mga wild animals yan. For the wild. Ang awkward. Ako lang walang kasama rito na bata. Oh my God. Nakakaingit.
Look at it! What's there? So pretty. What is
That is called Rocky Mountain Goat. Rocky Mountain Goat.
You want to go up, but you have to wear your backpack, okay? You have to walk with mommy. Okay? Okay.
Oh, it's something like that.
Cute. Cute. There's another one in there. Where is it? Yeah. Okay. Hello. Come over here. Look guys, may dalawang owl. Hey, look. Diba? Guys, oh, snowy owl. Ayan siya, oh. Hello. Hi. Ba, mukhang tanga dito. Ang pretty niya, oh. So pretty. Pretty yarn. There's another one in here. Oh my God. Hi. Sabi, hi. Makatitig naman to. Liwanag ba? So, ayan. Daming tao. Cute. Wala talaga akong nakita. Sila lang ata may nakikita. Polar bear dapat dito, pero wali. Cute. Cute. Ang laking barrier nito. Siguro ano dyan. Very wild animal. Very wild animal. Siguro dog. Wala namang animal dito guys. Di ko alam. Ang dami nakatayo. Pero wala talaga. Ano kaya dito? Wala nakasulat eh. Ang laki niya oh, pero bawal pumasok sa loob. Dito lang sa labas. May barricade. Ayan, boring naman. Ayan, ang laki niya oh. Pero bawal pumasok eh. Very safe naman. Kasi boring. Saan ba ito pupunta? Ang ganda oh, pwede naman pumasok pero hindi ko alam kung anong meron dyan. Anong meron dito? Ayun pala oh, may nalangoy. The moose, tawag dito is moose. Look. Ayun.
There's no party than that.
Dito park siya. Ang cute guys, so pwede kayo magdala ng food. Tapos diyan kayo kakain. Ang ganda.
You had to go into
Grizzly bear. Ang tawag dyan is grizzly bear. Yung hindi talaga nagpapakita is yung polar bear, yung white one. Katago naman to. Guys, ayun o, yan yung porcupine or porcupine. Nagtatago siya. Ano kaya itsura niyan? Nakaharap. Hindi ko alam eh. Diba?
But I didn't. She's loving the mix. Whoa. Whoa.
Take your name. Smile very
Ayan o. Tulog mo. Ayun na, meron na. Hello. May ganyan sila guys, oh. Tapos sa kabilang side din. For the bridge. For the bridge. So, ang pinapasok natin ngayon is yung Africa. Ewan ko nung meron sa Africa.
That's how they memorize each other.
I see it now. He's so camouflaged.
He's so cute.
He is cute.
Hindi ko naman ang tawag dyan. Hindi ko makita yung boy.
Traveling herds of up to 20
okay.
individuals.
Chakuan peccary.
Per rock. Never mind.
Yun yung tawag sa kanya,
Set
Chakuan
nets,
peccary.
one below each eye and a third on their back.
Ayan.
No one's Okabe with her mother, with his mother right now.
Oh, they're playing?
Yep, they're playing. Well, mom wants to sleep right now. Baby wants to play. Baby's been very active today.
Cute. Nasa rainforest tayo. Look at the snake.
Is it the same flower? Yeah. Snakes swim.
Para siyang ano, ginawa nilang forest sa loob ng building. Ayan. Ayan. Akyat tayo guys sa second floor. Second floor. Kaso mabasa. Madulas. Baba ulit tayo. That's a dwarf crocodile. For the dwarf. Ang cute. Ang liit naman niya. Maliit siya. Sorry. Guys, sobrang cute.
That's where we see these guys too.
Tingnan niyo kung paano matulog.
You'll be fine. Try.
How cool.
Where? Like that?
Hi! Ayun. Cute nila. Ayan yung tawag sa kanila. Parang malaking ducky lang.
They came out.
Look at the two giraffe. They're eating.
That guy's staring at me. Why are you staring at me? No, he's staring at me. Broski's staring at me. He's probably thinking,
Oh no. Red River Hog. Get the... Look at the hippo. May tilapia oh. Tilapia. Sarap ulamin oh. Sana all. Dalawa yan, hindi yan isa. Hi guys, hindi ko na nalibot yung buong zoo kasi nakakapagod. Uwi na ako. Hindi ako mapagsalita rito kasi daming tao. Daming tao sa harap ko nakatingin. So yun lang guys, ang ganda rito. Ang disappointment lang na ano ko, na feel ko is wala masyadong ahas. Isang ahas lang meron. Tapos wala ring crocodile. Hindi ko alam kung meron pa sa side na hindi ko napuntahan. Isang side na lang kasi hindi ko napuntahan, hindi ko na kinaya. So yun lang. So yun lang guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you support my upcoming vlogs and thank you so much for watching my vlogs. And again, this is Riza in Canada. You have a wonderful day. Bye bye.